everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. We are back with this 2015 Volkswagen Passat. It's a 2-litre TDI R-Line. It's the DSG model and it's the 190 bhp. It's Euro 6, so it is ULEZ compliant. It's finished in tungsten silver, It's got the race leather interior, I think that's what they call it. It's leather and cloth mix anyway. It's got the Verona alloys, the LED lights, the sports pack, with all the gloss black bits which look really well. 48,000 miles, 8 services, 2 owners I do believe, and a very nice car. It drives without fault. It looks incredible. All these little gloss black touches really do make it stand out. It's got parking sensors front and rear, reverse camera. Does have a detachable tow bar as well. The registration number is there for any checks you wish to carry out. Super nice. There you have it. Let's show you inside. I'll begin with the boot as usual. Massive load area, folded seats and load cover, all very clean, not doggy or anything like that, no funny smells. No spare wheel, but it looks like there could be room for one there if you wanted. You do get a lot of room under there for extra storage. It has got a manual detachable tow bar as well. However, I have not got the swan neck here ready for the video, but I can assure you it does have one. Inside, as I say, it's got the race interior as they call it. It's the Vienna leather with this nice silver cloth centre and the contrasting stitch, It's a fantastic interior, it's very clean. It's got Isofix, it's got armrest in the back. And we've also got rear blinds, as you can see there. Again, same interior in the front obviously, all in very nice condition. Got the R-Line logos there at the top. Our Ergo Comfort, which means they extend. Partially electric. You got height, tilt, reach, all of that adjustment. Electric windows all around with your folding mirrors. Of course, having the LED lights, it does have auto lights and wipers. It's also got adaptive cruise control. We'll start her up, show you there's no warnings, no funny noises or anything to be concerned about. Down. As you see there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. Average consumption 53 miles per gallon and a mileage of 48,396. There you go, all very good. In the centre, you've got the media system with the radio. It has got DAB, of course. It's also got auxiliary input, your Bluetooth audio, your CD, navigation, etc. All your bits and bobs that you would expect. Standard Bluetooth telephone, your navigation, performance monitor if you're feeling like Lewis Hamilton and you want your lap timer up. Always makes me chuckle, that does. And it's also got the app Connect if you want to get the activation code. But yeah, reverse camera as well. Just there, look. Got heated seats, driver and passenger, and this one's also got the heated windscreen. I'm not sure, I think it just comes on with that button, but it does have the heated screen. Start, stop, all your mode buttons, your start button, your 12 volt down there, cup holders in the centre, armrest with your auxiliary inputs, nice little clock up the top, and that's about it. As you can see, it's in superb condition, no scratching or anything like that inside, just all very, very nice. Give us a call, 01509 267 111, we'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you want to keep up with our latest stock, do like and subscribe. All of our stuff goes on YouTube before anywhere else. Thanks for watching.